P.3 Science. Topic 1. Plant parts, roots and stems. Page 8. Roots. Any underground part of a plant. Plants and trees have roots. Roots hold plants in soil. Roots take water from the soil to the plant. Page 9. Different types of roots. Taproot, fibrous root, storage root. Page 8. Anchor. To hold or secure an object from moving. The roots hold the plant in the soil. They anchor, keep in one place, the plant. Page 10. Stems. The main body of a plant. Supports branches and leaves. Plants have stems. The stem grows up from the ground. The stem carries water from the roots to the leaves and flowers. A tree stem is called its trunk. Page 10. Support. To sustain, to maintain, to hold up. The stem grows up from the ground. It supports the leaves so they can catch sunlight. Page 10. Vein. Tubes in leaves for water to travel from the roots to the stem and then to the leaves on the plant. Water travels through a plant inside hollow tubes. In leaves they are called veins. Topic 2. Plant parts, branches and leaves. Page 12. Leaves. The parts of a plant that grow from the branches, usually green in color. Green leaves make a plant's food. Page 12. Leaves help the plant breathe as it grows. Page 13. Leaves grow from the branches. Page 15. Page 12. Energy. The capacity or power to do work. Green leaves use energy from sunlight, gas from the air, and water to make sugar. Page 12. Photosynthesis. The process that a plant's leaves make food with sunlight, air, and water. Green leaves make a plant's food. They use energy from sunlight, gas from the air, and water to make sugar. This process is called photosynthesis. Page 15. Branches. The parts of a plant that grow from the stem. As a tree grows, branches grow out from its stem, trunk. Leaves grow from the branches. Page 15. Spread out. Things grow in different directions. As a plant gets bigger, it needs more food and more air, so it must grow more leaves. It grows more branches so the leaves are spread out and do not shade, block the sunlight of each other. Topic 3. Looking at flowers. Page 17. Flower parts. Page 17. Petal. The brightly coloured parts of a flower. Different flowers have different coloured petals. Page 17. Stigma. The female part of a flower. Collects pollen during pollination. Page 17. Stamen. Contains two parts, anther and filament. Produces pollen. Page 17. Ovary and ovules. Where fertilization happens, it will later become a fruit. These will become the seeds of a fruit. Page 18. Plant reproduction. Flowers grow when the plant is ready to reproduce, to have next generation, or young. The stages of plant reproduction are pollination, fertilization, and fruiting. Page 18. Pollination. Page 18. Fertilization. After pollination, the pollen travels to the ovary from the stigma and then fertilizes the ovules. This is called fertilization. Page 18. Fruiting. After fertilization, the ovary will become a fruit, which protects the seeds. The ovules then become the seeds of the fruit. Page 18. Nectar. A sweet liquid or juice made by flowers. A bee visits flowers to collect nectar to make honey. Topic 4. Germination and growth. Page 20. Germination. Germinate. Start to grow. The growth of a seed into a plant. Beans are seeds. They germinate, start to grow, in the soil. Page 20. Seedling. A young plant that is grown from a seed. Page 21. Sprout. Young plant growth. The young shoot of a plant. Page 22. Warmth. A moderate degree of heat, not cold, feeling warm. Some plants need warm weather to grow well, but others can grow in cold places. Topic 5. How animals respond to heat and cold. Page 27. Desert. A dry and sandy area of little rainfall and extreme temperatures. Animals live almost everywhere on Earth, from hot deserts to freezing mountains. Page 27. Bird. Warm-blooded animals that lay eggs. They have feathers and wings. Page 27. Mammal. Warm-blooded animals that give birth to live young. Page 27. Arctic, Antarctica. Page 27. Blubber. The thick layer of fat between the skin and muscle layers in marine animals, from which an oil is obtained. Penguins' bodies are covered with a thick layer of blubber and fluffy feathers to keep them warm. Page 27. Huddle. To crowd, get together. Penguins huddle together for warmth. Page 27. Insulators. Things that are good for keeping warm. Fur, fat, and feathers are good insulators. They don't allow heat to escape. Page 28. Radiator. An object that can transfer heat energy from one place to another. An elephant's huge ears act as radiators for heat to escape. Page 28. Trunk. The prehensile nasal part of an elephant. Elephants spray water with their trunks to keep cool. Page 28. Reptiles. Cold-blooded animals that lay eggs. They usually move by crawling, for example, snake, crocodile, lizard, turtle. Page 28. Bask. Exposure to the warmth of the sun. When the sun rises, the lizard finds a place to bask. The sun's energy warms its body. Page 29. Adapt. To make suitable to or fit for a specific use or situation. Desert animals are adapted to survive in high temperatures with very little water. Topic 6. How animals are born and grow. Page 30. Viviparous. Animals that give birth to their young. Page 30. Oviparous. Animals that lay eggs. Page 30. Hatch. To cause an egg or eggs to produce young. Page 30 and 33. Predator. An animal that lives by capturing and eating other animals. Most fish do not care for their eggs or young at all. Most of the eggs and young are eaten by predators.